Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya uan. Kadba ke election Shagaru Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC klanang jan baro ke sengsan perthai ha July klas dangban pinkre bha ban yakun yagane ke election. Ka National Congress Party NCP ru kalapan khlanya ka jingya linti jong ka party na benta kane ka jingya kun patba. Habakran shikilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingya lang balalong ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Ha kasngi balang State President ka NCP ba OK Sangma ulo ang baka party kalalong kabla pinkre pura ban yakun ya ka election GHADC. Hagatay ka jingya kreno ba OK Sangma ula pinay ka bentaning kong jengki kyrtong da kabayathu baka party kala dep ban pinay ki kyrtong na bentah drutli ki constituency bat shen on sa pinna shu ki kyrtong na ki weipat ki bentah. Uba OK Sangma ublong ru ex-MLA na Kharkuta ulo ang baka party kayo ka jingya ro bat jingya trailang na ki pat ba bat bun kinong yalam bar ki pat ba na ki weipat ki party ru kila ban ban yaso bat ka NCP shwa ka election. Ula banjur ru ba ka jingjob jeng ka party ha ka election kan syong ha ka jingiro ba ka jingya trailang jeng ki pat ba. Ngi kermen scam ki pat ba kan jiet ka roy ka par ba ka sunshar pat ba ka babha ha ka election banwan ong uba sangma ula benrap ru ba ka NCP kan yakun ka election GHADC da ka jingya tili ba jingya kun pat ba ka baklan ba ka party ka kermen banjob habun ki si.
To fill up all seats. There are 29 seats. We are contemplating to fill in all the seats. Now we have already declared 7 seats. But the remaining seats will be declared when the election date will be declared by the government.
So which are the constituency that you will fill up, because you have said that 7?
Rongrong constituency, Borsong constituency, Jengjal constituency, Suhthied constituency, Sijurungwara constituency, and another one that Banawajmu. Yeah. Many ex-MLAs or some strong leaders are keen to join in our party. That is why we came to Shillong to induct some office bearers so that let them freely pick the candidate for the MLA election. So we are starting our party on the base and slowly and steady wins the race. We'll start in Garwest Autonomous District Council. Then after that we'll start the whole Meghalaya for the MLA election.
So can you announce the name of these 7 constituency candidates?
Candidate who will be contested?
In Rungara, Sengam ke Sangma, in Srikikri, Nekjerang e Sangma, from Borsong Dringbat Sangma, from Rongrong Sengmachi M Sangma, from Jengjal Matgrek K Sangma, of them press. Yes, they are strong party, but both depends on the wishes of the people. As example, when the NCP is a strong party, they have 20 MLAs in Garuhes, but one MLA select from Congress party. He won the election. It depends upon the wishes of the voters. Yeah, because of the people insisted us to organize the NCP party. We are organizing the party. That's why we depend on the people to vote in the coming election. District Council election. Our District Council established in 1952. So at that time, there is no separation of tribal and non-tribal. Whereas our khasi friends and Jaintia friends are separated, tribal and non-tribal. But in Garuhes, it keeps in the same way. So till today it is continuing. Nowadays, the NGO, civil societies and some my Garu companion complain about this. See, from Khasi Hills and Giant Hills, they are voting in the election without non-tribal. But in Garo Hills, we are voting with non-tribals. Now they are demanding to exclude the non-tribals from the electoral roll. That is one. In our manifesto, we already stated, but it is a very arduous task because to delay the names, it requires parliament. To pass this issue, it will require 273 MLs to be supported. This is the big question. Now, it will require the district council, it will require the state government, and it will require the parliament also. This is a big issue. In that issue, when we come to power, we will try and we will convince the state government first. If the state government agree, let them take it to parliament. So we have to request the prime minister, we have to request the other ministers to bring this kind of agenda in the parliament. So let them pass in the parliament also.
Can you elaborate on your meeting today that NCP is still alive?
For myself,
Yeah.
I am the president of Meghalaya State NCP party. I came from North Carolina. I was in MLA from Calcutta. Now I'm looking after the NCP party in Meghalaya State. Today we convened a meeting in Shillong, Pynbna Hotel, with calling our friends from Giant Hills to work together in a party. Our friends from Khasi Giant Hills all are joined here, and they have inducted someone as working president, someone is secretary, someone is a secretary, and other executive members. So from today onwards, we will start the NCP party in Khasi and Giant Hills. We have already started in Garo Hills. Now GDC election on the corner. We are preparing to contest the election in Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. We are underway in selecting the candidates, but when the election date declare, we will finalize our candidates. Party, as you are aware, it has come during the time of Sangma. During the time of Sangma, NCP has got 13 MLAs. So, with no reason, Sangma along with his MLAs came out from NCP party. After that also, Sambor Sulai was the president. So after Sambor Sulai, Saleng Sangma also was president of the NCP party. When Saleng Sangma defected to Congress party, nobody looked after NCP party. So after that, I inducted as a president of the NCP party in Meghalaya. So we are restarting the party. I believe there will be strong response in the Meghalaya to strengthen the party again. The NCP party have no reason to leave, but MLAs are run away from NCP party. NCP party is clear, no remark, nothing at all. But if the MLAs run away from the party, what we can say? So people request us to reorganize the NCP party. So they want to vote for the NCP party.